It's a carriage. We are going to get on this train.
The train on platform 1 goes to Waterfall Junction via Macquarie. First stop Sutherland, then Janelle, Waterfall.
Just have a look in.
Here at 4:38 p.m. Stopping Sutherland,
As you can see, if you've been on Oscar before, I haven't, the seats are flippable. And they also have the electronic screens and the stickers and the network maps up here. Sydney Trains Network. Still doesn't have our Leppington Edmonton Park service on it. And it has this one. H10 was the front half. And the emergency help points there. Yeah. And there's a toilet here. Okay. That's basically an Oscar for you inside.
No, sit down.